Morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Say about an hour. All right. Hold on one second while I get my YouTube set up, channel, video, whatever the fuck it is. Set up. Got to put on that. Got to come over to here. What is today's date? 15th. 2/15/24. And it is Thursday. Okay. What you're looking at is I'm live from Phoenix. Good morning, everybody. Those are my last several trades for the last several days. You should probably pick up on a couple things there. A, I don't have a lot of time to trade. B, you'll notice, I think every one of the trades, no, there's a few aftermarket open. It all depends when things form. And price action makes its move, forming our logos and such. But you don't see 20 trades per day, let me put it that way. A lot of you beginners especially seem to overtrade. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. And let me get up over here. Oh, jeez, peace. Got a little sleep last night. Not a ton of sleep, but a little. Good morning, Ignacio Lagrasta. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Bob. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and everybody on YouTube. Give me just a second over here. All right, here we go. We're about to make our call outs. I didn't do them last night. I was not feeling it yesterday afternoon, so I just didn't do it. We talked about a whole bunch of other things. But we'll be calling out Bitcoin. We'll be calling out, yeah, you could say stocks. We trade, this is what we trade right here. We trade stocks. We trade indices. This is a scanner. We trade all major indices. Here's a new one. We trade, that's gold, platinum, ER. We play gold, silver, all of these. Here's your stocks, over 55 different stocks. Of course, they're closed right now. All Forex, crosses and pairs, all cryptos. This is a scanner, the most awesome Keith Palmer developed for us. Great guy, fantastic guy. He's our master coder guy. Also trades all Forex. This is what we trade. All 8 time frames. Look at them, new. Then we have the coolest fucking thing. Tell me this isn't the coolest thing you guys have ever seen. Look at it. We have top 10 rooms. It's like Christmas every day. Look for a sell stop 1 minute. Look for a buy stop in Odds Japan 1 minute. Look for a buy stop GBP, CAD, Euro. So it's telling you what to do. And it's trading all the different time frames. Yeah, cool as fuck. Yes, it works on Bitcoin. Yes, it works on Solana. Yes, it works on Neo, XRP. They're all in here. And yes, it works on all of them. So that's what we trade. Thank you for asking. These are all my trades I've done over the last several days, as I mentioned. I do have 2 trades going right now. Okay. Those are all my trades. The one loss is actually a win. I just wasn't paying attention. And no, we're not out of Phoenix. People in their mental capacities. Boy. Anywho, and we are, if I can get to it, the only trading system that is United States of America trademarked the safety trade system under Class 41. This isn't applied for. This is an actual registered trademark, meaning they found my system unique enough to give it a trademark. It took over a year to get, and I can only thank God for it. But we have a Class 41, which means coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth. I love this thing. So anyways, it goes on for like a whole nother page of all the things it's protected under. So if anyone ever uses the name, the safety trade system, or any of the indicators inside of it, I will have my attorney, Mr. Baker, send you a little cease and desist letter. And if you do not, well, you know what happens after that. So there you go. The only one that I'm aware of that has that. How fucking cool is that? How fucking cool is that? So freaking bad. I want to help you all. So freaking bad. All right. Let's get back to our good mornings and we'll whip through a whole bunch of things. I want to be a billionaire. So freaking bad. Let's take a look. Look at how good the. Oh, speaking of which, hold on. Let me pull up in my actual 2 trades I have going from yesterday. Called live, traded live with you. Shows you exactly when to get in because we have rules. That's how that scanner thingy works. I want to be helping you so freaking bad. I want to be a billionaire. These are my 2 trades I have going at the moment. These are the times in over here if I can get over there. Boom, boom. Oh, I forgot. Before I get too far along, hold on a second. Let me take care of something. Hold on. I keep forgetting this too. Well, I can leave it for now. Anyway, we're in those 2 trades. Am I teaching? Yeah, you can say that, Tyler. I teach every day. Yes, sir. Yeah, and I have over 400 YouTube videos for you to watch too. On YouTube, actually, we have over 1,000, but I only left. Oopsie. I only left 4 up. Let's go over to here. Let's head over to my channel. This is my YouTube channel. So freaking bad. These are my lives. All right, let's say good morning to everybody. Where am I shooting from today? Evidently, Phoenix. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Shash. Good morning, Glow. Good morning, Mike Linsky, best friend, 40 years. Only person I know on here is Mike Linsky. Good morning, Bladex. What's up, Shash? God bless you, sir. Good morning, Bob Uten. Good morning, Jones 808. Good morning, Jay Parker 2301. Good morning, Shannon Ivory. Great morning to you, Shannon. Good morning, Metal Mine. Good morning, Ray Sean Warren. Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Harry. Good morning, Ted Parker. Good morning, Joe Biga. Good morning, Fly the Sky. Good morning, Susie Stealth. Yay! Two goal signals yesterday, Susie. Yes, and I do believe I'm going to count. I'm going to get your opinion on this. I think I'm counting both as wins because $2 an ounce on gold seems pretty good to me. Good morning, Brian Claus. The disclaimer, yes, go, I will do it. Oh, is that Keith? Keith, are you up? Where'd he go? Keith Palmer is in the house. Remember I was just telling you about the awesome Keith Palmer? Actually, well, we should probably talk about that, but nonetheless, yay, good morning, Keith. Everyone should be standing up with a standing O, giving Keith a standing ovation. Starts a slow clap. You know, the movies is slow clap. Anyway, good morning, Keith. Thank you, Babu. I agree by the system. Good morning, Joe and Cindy. Good morning, Curtly. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, Dylan. Good morning, Joanne Soaz. Good morning, Metal Mine. What's up, Metal Mine? There you go. There's your clapping, Joe Big and Shannon. Everyone should be clapping for Keith. Clapping for Keith. Clapping for Keith. Yeah, he's the one that brings all my crazy ass ideas to life in the scanners. He's the one that gets the signals to trade like I do. Fucking a miracle. It's really hard. You guys have no clue how hard it is. Just because I can see it, he has to take everything I see and put it into math. It's hard as fuck. So, hey, good morning, Keith. All right, let's ditch the dodo here. Let's get rid of this. I want to help you all. So freaking bad. All right, so we had 2 gold calls. This thing I'm going to start with, then we'll get rolling with everything, okay? 2 gold call yesterday, and then I'm going to go over 2 things. Watch. Gold call number 1. This isn't even a question. Whether you got in here at 1997, it doesn't matter. 1984. This went down $13 an ounce. So I'm more than comfortable that calling that one a victory, easy peasy. This one, the second gold call, you could have entered it here at 1997 and gotten out here. Oh, wait, that's $7 an ounce? Oh, no. Yeah, we're counting that. 1992. Oh, my, that's better. My eyes are a little bit off. Yeah, that's why. $2 an ounce. And then, so $2 an ounce. Do we call this a victory? I think I'm still going to ask you guys the question to see if it's fair. Because I know if you're trading commodities, futures with gold, and you were trading them, $2 an ounce on gold would be huge. So I'm going to go ahead and say we need a stick-to-it number, though. I'll have to put that in the rules. Is $1 an ounce a win for gold? Is $2 an ounce a win for gold? What do you guys think is fair for a win? This ought to be interesting. Good morning, Larry Cooper. So, what's up, Rayshawn? What's shaking, brother? What do you all think? $1, $2, $3? What's a fair? I think 2 for gold. Just because $2 seems like it's an extreme. Trust me on that. It just seems like it's a very good amount. Oh, I got to teach you something too about the pink sniper. Anyone have any thoughts on that? I don't know if Keith is still here. I want to help you guys so freaking bad. No one has any. $1, 50 cents, $2, $3, $4, $5. That's getting ridiculous at that point. I don't know. I think a couple bucks seems fair. So I don't know if this is a win or a half win. I mean, I guess it's in the money. If it goes in the money, I guess it should be a win. I mean, but see, in the other ones, I have things. If SPX doesn't move 20 pips, it doesn't count. If US3 doesn't move 20 pips, it doesn't count. If SPX doesn't move 5 pips, it doesn't count. But I don't know what we're going to use on gold. So freaking bad. I want to. No one has anything? Really? Am I live? Did I lose you all? Hold on. I think we're all still there. So freaking mad. Oh, I wasn't looking. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Hohe. What's up, Joseph Tamburina? Any profit is fair, says Shannon. Oh, well, okay. Yes, it made money. Saying $2 is extreme. I used to mine actual physical. That's pretty fair indeed. Okay. Because I trade gold a bigger lot. Okay, Glow. Okay. I hear you, Shannon. Okay, Shannon and Mike and Metal Man. I appreciate you guys speaking up. Okay. Larry Cooper, do you have any comments on that user 157? Bob? Anyone else? You think $2 seems fair? I don't know. Am I allowed to count $1 movement in gold? I don't know. I mean, I want to be fair about it. So $2 is good. Okay, I'm going to put that in the rules. So $2 is good for gold. I might even put $1.50 to $2. I don't know. Just so it has a little flex in there. Add to rules. Okay. All right. Thanks for the feedback. Because I know I trade gold and I expect big move. I'd be happy with $1, says Glow. Harry says $2. Thank you, Harry. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Glow. Sorry, driving to work. Oh, okay, Larry. You drive. Be safe. All right. So, okay. Now, the earlier call, there's no question on it. The earlier call yesterday morning, holy shit, Olas. The earlier call, well, let me zoom over here and do this. This was freaking awesome. There was 2 calls, which is odd to me. I don't know why I did that. But this one, oh, fuck no. That was a hell of a move. Anywhere from here, right, 1993, whatever, 1991, all the way down to here. Hell no, we're counting that. 1984. About $9, $10 an ounce. Fuck yeah, that's a win. And it did it multiple times. We'll get into that later. Now, let me teach you guys something so we're all clear on when to take profit. Okay, this is, hold on. Stop. Sell it. Close it. Then pink. Low. Okay, watch. This is the minimum what you guys should be doing. Right here. Price action. Watch this. Because I think some of you lose track of what happens. Remember, on a sell, which is what was called, you take it, right, when pink crosses the blue. Now, you have to have the sniper and have the signals. This is called the sniper add-on. It's $150 a month. It's 100% totally optional. But if you're doing the signals, you kind of got to have it to verify your trades. You should also have it just because it's the best damn gone indicator in history of the world. But take a look right here. Pink line's high. As soon as it comes down low to the bottom, see how it flatline? You guys should be out of the trade. Period. There is no exceptions. At least close down one of your trades, move the other to break even. See it? That's that. Period. There's no other options about it. Thank you, Susie Steth. You really don't. I don't know what Blue Baron's talking about. You really don't what, Blue Baron? Anywho, so I'm going to go ahead and say 2 correct calls. Please make sure you close down your first entry, your first one of your little open trades when it goes all the way to the bottom, period. Don't hang out down there. You can, now it'll keep running down. Some of them be runners, but some of them won't. Okay? So please pay attention to that. Good morning, Little Joe. What's up, Little Joe? Good morning, sir. So there's every sevens, if y'all understand, whether it's a sell stop, which this is, and I'll teach you what to look for, the buy stop, the opposite. This is a sell stop, so you get in here-ish. Make sure you enter in off the, in this case, the highest of the yellow lines. and then go ahead and boom. When it gets down to the bottom, you're out. Okay? All right. I don't want to beat a dead horse. Good morning, Jan. Good morning, Lisa Norwood. Good morning, Lisa. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and say two more correct signals. Gold literally just started on Tuesday, and we've had two correct signals with their three, but it wasn't active for the first one. How do you feel about taking it out about 3/4 of the way down on the pink? Yeah, absolutely. As long as you're taking profit, let's get something clear. Whether it's $1 an ounce on gold, whether it's 2 pips on SPX, take the profit and run. Close down. If you have 2 open, at least close one of them down, move the other one break even, and let them run. These are runners. I had multiple trades open yesterday, right? And these are my runners running right now. They're not moving because I killed something, so we're actually off on this one. But those are them. Yep. And just let them run. Buy companies that make weapons. Dude, just stop. Okay, well, you've been really, really good. You're going into timeout. See you, bro. All right. Here we go. So, 2 more correct signals brings us up to, oh, shit. I think we're at 7 or 8. Bye, says Bob. Bob's the nicest guy on earth. I think we're at 7 correct signal calls in February. We might be at 8. 8 for 8, 7 for 7, something like that. And we're 11 for 11 last month. And we're at least 7 for 7 this month so far. But we got half the month to go. Nice. On the signals, plenty of time for entry. You literally can see right here, you had at least 10, 15 minutes for the gold sell the first time. And on this one, I didn't want to hear it. You literally had, let's see, 15 minutes. Too much mathing. 1 hour, 2 hours, about 3 hours to make your entry on that one. So you have plenty of time. I was on close set for the past 2 days. What the fudgicles? Ha, Shannon. 100% on the signals. Yes, correct. That's 2 days in a row, bro. Oh, is that the same clown from yesterday that I put in timeout? Maybe I should just ban him. Anywho, yeah. So, but yeah, so we're doing pretty good with the signals. It's either 18 out of 18 or 19 out of 19. 100% win rate on the signals so far. Pretty good. Oh, it is the same fella? Fine. Let me ban him. Can't really say much, though, because of... Okay, he's gone. All right. So that's gold. And I'm just going to go ahead and talk about these right here. This is my call outs from yesterday. 1 minute buy stops. My face 15-minute 1 hour sell stops, never engaged. And then 4 hour buy stops. The 4 hour buy stops, what you're looking at right now. Pop. These are all the signals that were correct, by the way. In fact, it's time. Let's bring out Trading View. Here we go. 4 hour on the top right here this morning. Oh, you know what? Fuck. Hold on a second. Getting ahead of myself. Close said it and I forgot. Sorry, Mike. Thank you for reminding me. Am I a financial advisor? Yes or no? I am not a financial advisor. Please type yes if you understand that I'm not a financial advisor. Because the Holy Grail signal has take profit, take two, and stop loss. Yeah, but you won't need a stop loss for the Holy Grail trade. It never loses. You'll put it at the pivot point and then take profit, take. But you're thinking old school again. No, that's not how we trade. Blessing, aha, aha, aha. Good morning, by the way. Correct, Metal Man. He's just thinking old school. Well, here's our take profit one. Put it here. Here's our take profit two. No, we have rules on when to take profit. Mike, easy jet up. We don't care about that, Mike. But good morning. Okay, so you guys understand. Now let's go back to what we're doing. Boop. All right. Can this get any easier? I'm just going to tell you, this is insanity. Look right here. This is SPX 500. You guys, what the fuck? Okay. Hold on. This is how easy it is to trade, and I don't understand how you people are messing this up. I'm not going to be mean. Some of you are doing extremely well, and some of you not so much. Look at this. Inside of these two rectangles are the exact same 4-hour pattern. Pink crossing the blue low, pink crossing the blue low, green, 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 red, green, green. Everybody knows what this is. This is 4 hours. These are 4-hour candles. 4 hour here, buy stop, 4, 8, 12, 16. You have like 20 hours, 24 hours. And you wonder how I can make these call outs where I say my favorites are 4-hour buy stops. Well, because for fucking day, by the way, that's why you can call 1 minute and 15 minutes, because there'll be candles inside of there. You're actually only playing inside of 4-hour candles every time I make a 1 minute call. But anyhow, that gets too complicated for you. I'm not getting into it. All right, look. I made a 4-hour buy stop call out, right? And look what it did. How did I know to do it? Because you print this picture out, and when you see this exact formation on the 4-hour, you take the buy. There it is once. There it is twice. But watch. It gets better. I'm selling Ginsu knives this morning. It did the exact same pattern on NAS. Oh, no fucking way, did it? What about US 30? What do you fucking know it did? It couldn't have did it on US 30, NAS, and SPX, though. But my name isn't Shirley, and yes, the fuck it did. Does everybody see this? Yes or no? 7s or 9s? 7s, you see this pattern here, and it did it again here. So am I the oracle of Forex or a time-traveling space alien? That's what everyone always says. Or is it literally that the system consistently shows you this exact same pattern and you can trade it? 7s, you understand that the fucking pattern happened, whatever that was, 2 or 3 days earlier, 4 days, maybe a week earlier. Look at it. Does everyone see this? 7s for yeses, 9s for no. Look at it. If you want to only trade 4 hours, trade the 4 hours. Look, look, look. NAS. Look, look, look. SPX. Look, 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 look. So now do you see how I can make the calls? Print this picture out. Only trade what you see right there. Whether this works on the 4-hour, this works on the 1 hour, this works on the 15-minute. But the 4-hour, they can't fuck around with you as much because it's 4-hour candles. They can't come up and down and back and forth and make a W, make a triple bottom. They usually make, and I'll show you what it looks like. Here's an okay? So do you all see that? Come on. I want more than 4 or 5 yeses or 7s. Yeah, I own XRP. Don't go around spamming in here. You get your ass taken out too, SMG. Thank you, Sergio. Good morning, Sergio. I mean, come on. The fuck? Oh, I can't trade. The system's too hard. Get the fuck out of here. The system's too hard. Yeah, you mentioned XRP again. You're out to SMG. So there's no additional chart verification. I'm not even teaching you how to go look for the logo. I'm not even teaching you how to go to 2 time frames. I'm telling you when this show, good morning, Pablo. Good morning, Jose. When this shows, take the damn trade. There you go. Here, I'll help you out. Yeah, bye. You're also hidden from the channel. You'll never come back. There you go. See you, bro. This is all you need to trade. Forget support and resistance, which fails 99% of the time. You don't believe me? Google it. All retail day traders combined win less than 1% of the time. Why? Because I lost for 5.5 years, $26,500 over 5 years. Every trade I put in was wrong. And now I can predict 20 hours ahead of time what the market's going to do with, well, if I interpret the charts right, 100% accuracy, but near 100% accuracy because I am only human. But there it is. There she blows. There it is. How much easier can a system be? But I have to pay attention if this is green, 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 red, and this is green, green. Well, actually, you don't. I dumbed it down to 2. Blue line low, pink crosses. There's your answer. I literally own 1, 2, 3 trading, pink by numbers trading. I mean, how much easier can I make a system that it's 4-hour candles, stay on the 4-hour chart? Any 4-hour chart that looks exactly like this will go up. You have to have the sniper included down here. This is the most important thing, actually. But there it is. There she blows. I've made it down to 2 lines. The thing that I'm using as the green, green, red, green, green, the 8 combination is just for confirmation. The only thing that's important is right where I'm pointing, the sniper. Period. Look. Any symbol. Bitcoin. Yep. XRP. Yep. GBP, JPY, ERUSD. Yep. It works on Ethereum. Yep. Gold. Yep. What the fuck? You guys overcomplicate everything. I've made my system for dummies. I made my system for beginners. I made my system so people who can't even trade anymore can see this pattern. Print that picture out and only trade that pattern. Print that picture out. Can I be any clearer to you? Print this picture out. When you see this pattern, you take the trade, because I'm not a financial advisor, and guess what happens? You make a shit ton of demo money. Am I beating it into your guys' head? Everybody wants support and resistance. Everybody wants look to the left, ascending, descending wedges. Everybody wants trend trading. Everybody thinks Fibonacci retracements work. They're all wrong. 99% of the time, everyone at volume VWAP block trading, all of it loses 99% of the time. Look at that pattern, and you will win more than 99% of a loss. You'll win more than 1% of the time. I fucking will tell you this on everything I hold dear, that pattern you're seeing will win more than 1% of the fucking time. Oh, but I can't trade it. And I don't know what I'm doing. And I don't understand. And I can't do it. Well, then you can't. Are you colorblind? Change your colors to black and gray so you can see the difference. Wow. Mr. Crab, that's no freaking line. Thank you, Metal Mind. Is anyone besides Metal Mind getting this through their thick skulls? This is how you trade. Yes, I'm going to show you how it forms the logo. Yes, I'm going to show you how it forms the logo on a higher time frame. Yes, I'm going to show you our rules for entry. Yes, I'm going to go over all our rules. Just take a fucking picture and put it fucking next to your trading computer on your monitor or next to it and trade it. What the fuck? I don't know how. Oh, I can't figure this out. It's taken me 9 months to learn your system, which is true, to get very comfortable with it so you can do a little more than what I'm showing you right here. Absolutely. But come on. Sir, can I trade with MetaTrader 4? You can trade with anything you want. You're getting these indicators on TradingView. I trade with MetaTrader 4 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Yes, I have Eagle FX account, MetaTrader 4. Yes, I have Hugo's Way account 1. Yes, I trade MetaTrader 4. Pepperstone, yes, MetaTrader 4. You're not getting these indicators on MetaTrader 4. It comes on TradingView. Yeah, Raider, thank you. All right, thank you, Joe. Thank you, Larry Cooper. I mean, everyone wants to complicate my system. I made it for beginners. I literally made it so that people can see patterns. This pattern for a buy stop is the exact opposite for a sell. But there she blows. Well, why are you going on this so long? Because I would say a third of you are losing money. It's just anything on earth, the general numbers, and we haven't actually gone back to see these numbers. A third of you are going to lose money with my system. A third of you are going to break money and eventually make money with break even and make money with my system. A third of you are making good money with my system. That's just standard numbers across the board. And then the third that are breaking even and the third who are losing drive me nuts. That's who I'm trying to reach by telling the people to do this. This is exactly how to trade, Mike. Driving it home. Correct, Metal Mine. I mean, literally, here you go. Here you fucking go. I don't know. That's how I can make the calls out. When I see a buy stop, I call it on the 4 hour. When I see this pattern on the 1 hour, I call it. When I see this pattern on the 1 minute, I call it. When I see this pattern on a daily, I call it. When I see this pattern on a weekly, I call it. That's it. So this is how I'm able to make all these correct call outs. In the mornings, I'll do them right now. During the day, I'll do them right now. But when you see this, you make the call. I don't know how much easier I can make this for you guys. Let's go over to Bitcoin. So freaking bad. Here we go. Here's Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin, and everybody, look at the exact same pattern on Bitcoin daily. This is Bitcoin daily. Look at it. Look at Bitcoin daily. Look at the pattern. Gee, I wonder who knew Bitcoin was going up. Anybody? You all fucking did. We knew it since Bitcoin was down here. It should have been called in right here at 40,000. Look. Actually, we've been calling this for months. I'll go to that later. Look at it. The exact same pattern on a daily Bitcoin as what? Let's go down here. Let's take a look. In a book. As SPX and NAS 4 hours. Oh, it's changing them both. I'm so sorry. Hold on. I'll have to go back to Bitcoin. Does everybody see that this daily? Hold on. Damn, I wish I could move them separate. I'd have to disconnect them. I don't want to go around doing that. That this daily Bitcoin right here is the exact same pattern as the SPX 4 hour. Watch. Right there. The exact same pattern as NAS's 4 hour. Right here. And here's Bitcoin daily. Right there. It's the exact same pattern. It doesn't matter what symbol. It doesn't matter what time frame. Whenever you see this exact pattern, trade it. Nice, Raider. Already's up $1,444. Correct. We don't say anything about political stuff here, Mike. Thank you, Larry Cooper, and buy the dang on system. I mean, what you want me to go where? You want me to go somewhere else? Oh, surely it can't work on ERUSD this way. Yep, it can and does. Let's just bop around. It has trouble when it doesn't have enough memory to pull in everything. See, it can't pull that in. This is actually another one right here, weekly. Let's go to one you can find. Watch. Let's just see. So freaking bad. Yeah, Let me go to GPY. Watch. It's just, I want to find one that, there you go. That's easy for you guys to see. Let's see. 1 hour, GPJPY, green, 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 red, green, green. What's he talking about? Why is he so passionate? Blue, most important right down here. Pink crossing the blue. Boom, boom. So this is 1 hour GPJPY. Bitcoin daily is the same thing. NAS 100 and SPX 4 hour, the exact same pattern. Do I need to keep bringing up example of example? Do you want me to go down to a 15-second chart and show you the exact same thing? What the fuck? Let's go down to a 15-second chart to show you the fucking exact same thing. How about that? Let's do that, shall we? There's the opposite, a sell stop. Does it work on buy stops? Here's a 15-second chart. Green, 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 red, green, green, pink crossing the blue low, going to the blue line. We'll get into that later. And there's your trade. So I've showed you weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 seconds. Do you really want me to go ahead and go to the 1 second chart to show you that my system works on the 1 second chart? Do you really want me to go there? Do you really, 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 you want me to show you 1 second? Or do we actually have enough examples from weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 15 seconds? The same pattern works over and over and over again. Tell me how my system's complicated. Well, this is really hard to learn. If you want verification of signals, there's a few more steps. If you want to trade to the blue line, there's a few more steps. But here it is. Here the fuck it is. Jesus. Well, I don't know. I don't know if I'll ever catch on. I don't know if it's for me. Oh, boy. So freaking bad. I want to help you all. So freaking bad. All right. I hope it makes sense. I hope I'm reaching some of you to break through your over-analysis, overthinking, over-analyzing. Hey, what about this and this? And if I go here and what line? And if I use this and that? And if I do this and this? Or you print this picture out and you trade that. I know everyone hates that it's that simple. Well, there's got to be some kind of support at 1395, and then at 1522 there's resistance, and it did 3 stair steps up, and then I looked to the left to make sure there was confirmation. What the fuck are you talking about using history as confirmation to the trade? Stop it. Print this picture out, and there's an opposite. I can show you what a sell stop looks like. Yes, it works going down. Yes, it works going up. Boy, that's all you need to trade. That's it, right there. Oh, my goodness. So let's see something. Let's go to gold. Let's see gold, 15 minute. Okay, so let's take a look at our gold. I want to be a billionaire. And this is a difference right here. Watch. This, what you're looking at right here, is the first signal. Pink cross the blue, sell stop. Red perfectly. But this is the limitations of being a robot. They can't see human shit. So this is a second signal right here. Well, told you. And it was correct. And it went down, you made money. But there's a limitation on what you're seeing. And I can get into that later if you look at the 1 hour. Well, here, we'll go to the 1 hours now. Watch. I want to help you all. So, see, this is the reality. It was a 1 hour. Look, this is the first time it would have happened. This is a 1 hour sell stop. The robot didn't pick up on it's programmed, but not yet to be released to you guys for 1 hour, 4 hour. But the correct trade here was the 1 hour sell stop. The correct trade of all of them was this one. See the sell stop? Look. Blue high, pink crosses, red, 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 green, going to the blue line. This is the first time it should have made a correct call. It will in the future. But the coding, the robot, the AI is dumber than fuck. That's the first time it did it. Here's the second time it did it. Right? So now we're playing, in case you guys didn't catch what's happening, we're literally playing inside of these 1 hours right here. And we ate this candle right here. We completely ate it up. We got all the pips you could out of this one candle. So when it makes a signal, watch. I don't know if it'll hold right here. I think it's pretty weak. Let me go down here. Watch. It's not that it's bad. It's still correct. It's just that it can't read. It can't see things. Everything's mathematical in code. Everything. So even though I can see it clear as whatever, it can't. See this? This is your signal. So watch. Let's go over to here. I'm going to go to the next one. You're actually, this one right here is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Watch this. So this one, the one I said, hey, I wonder if we should count this, blah, blah, blah. Well, look, it's literally nothing more. Watch. It's nothing more when you see this thing right here. Yeah, this one, boom, and when it comes down, you see it? That is your candle. All you're doing when you're playing, when the robot's making these 15-minute calls for you, 15-minute, 1 hour cold calls or whatever it's doing on any of the others, it's playing the 15-minute inside of the 1 hours. So if you see that one little red candle right there on the 1 hour, we caught every possible pip out of that one candle. That's it. We caught it. We caught every possible pip out of this 1 hour in a candle. It'll do that perfectly, but it can't see that it shouldn't have even taken the trade because it should have called out the 1 hour first and been done. If you'd have called out the 1 hour first like a human being, like I did, right? That I could see all this right here on the 1 hour watch right here, right there. You would have made money from 2024, $20 and $2,024 down to whatever this is, like $60 an ounce. But it can't see that yet. Does everybody understand what I'm saying? I don't usually teach you guys candle trading, but that's all it's doing. We can pick out to the candle the proper 15-minute candle inside of the 1 hour. Eventually, it'll be trading 1 hour, 4 hours. Eventually, it'll be trading 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Lord willing, it'll be trading 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Lord willing, it'll be trading 1 minute, 5 minutes. If I can get it to do those only with Keith Palmer's help, the most awesomely fantastic coder in the history of the world and a very, very, very good man. If he can get us to get the code to trade like that, all of a sudden you'll be getting a 1 hour, 4 hour signal. And then you're inside that, you'll get a 15-minute 1 hour signal. Then inside the 15-minute 1 hour signal, you're going to get a 5 minute, 1 minute signal. And then inside of that, you might be getting a 1 minute, 5 minute signal. So you can trade this all the way down. So right now we're in the infancy stages of the AI learning, the coding of it. Does that make sense to all of you? 7s for yes, 9s for no. And I don't mind 9s because I'm sure a lot of you don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about right now. Your eyes are probably glazed over. But that's all. So when you receive your gold signals, it's literally catching candles on the 15-minute that are within the 1 hours. Which sounds crazy, but that's all we're doing. It's 4 15-minute candles inside of one 1 hour candle. Larry says yes. Anyone on TikTok? Good morning, Greg. And I'll take your word for it, Ray Sean. I'm not actually trading right now. I'm trying to explain and teach you all. So while the correct call was made for gold, the bigger picture correct call for gold can't be seen by the signal service at this time. The signal service is still, I think, 17 for 17 or 18 for 18, 100% win rate. But it's only going to get better. That's all I can tell you. So you're saying, oh, you're at 100% win rate. How can you get better? I'm just telling you, it's going to get better. Is anyone still? Are we still live? Yeah, I think we are. Yeah. Anyone on YouTube understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? What's up, Tarson Black? Good morning. Good morning, Jack Wagon. Morning, Peter. Am I live on YouTube or did I miss something? Oh, there are all the answers. I didn't see them before. Yes, you're still live. I'm like, my God, things get quiet around here. Maybe I just talk. Yeah, it is fractals, actually. Everything's a fractal. I don't want to get into that. Right. The 1 minute buy stops aren't going to generate that. You guys want to thank you, Shannon. Great catch. Fantastic catch. Nice, Jan. I'm glad you got the safety trade stickers and they look good. Awesome. What about 25 seconds? That's funny. Never mind. I don't know why the messages weren't coming through, but now they are. Thank you, Metal Mind. I repeat myself until people understand. No one's understand, so I keep repeating myself. Good morning, Anthony Sawyer. Good morning, Before This Life. Good morning, BCM. All right, guys. Now I'm getting your messages. I don't know why the fuck I wasn't before. I think TikTok might have had to hang up. All right. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and read out a whole bunch of live trades. Actually, we're going to be a little behind with the way this is. But it won't matter. I don't give a fuck. Maybe I should just do it over there. Hold on. Maybe I will. I want to help you all so freaking bad. One minute buy stop gold to the 3 minute blue line. 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the 3 minute blue line of gold. You're already too late, by the way. Look, gold flipped over. Well, we'll get into it later. All right, forming a 1 hour sell. Yep, it's arched up. Forming a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line. What it's doing is it's hooking up somewhere into here. It's going to hook and come back down and touch this 4 hour blue line on gold. That's what gold's going to do. Clear? XRP, baby. 1 minute XRP. Let's see. 3 minute. 5 minute. 15 minute. Okay, give me 1 second. We're almost there. I wanna be a billionaire. So look at how gorgeous. These are all 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour buy stops. So the 4 hour blue line, it touched it. It's going to ricochet off, come back down to the yellow line or in between the channel, come back up and go to the blue line again. That's all I'm going to tell you. XRP, that's what it's doing. Ethereum. A life of Ethereum. Da 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 Ethereum. La da 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 Ethereum. Look at this. Do you think Ethereum and Bitcoin are the exact same thing? Let's take a look. I keep telling you this. They ride and die together. This is a buy stop right here. Green, 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 red, green, green, right here. Bitcoin, watch. It'll be a little more obvious. There you go. Green, 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 red, green, green. The thing I just taught you, and there's Bitcoin. Why is it going up? I don't know. Oh, it's because the Blackstone came out with ETFs and FTCs and PMQs and ABCs and CNNs. No, it's going up because there's a buy stop. It's going up before any of that news was announced. There was none of this shit back here, yet my system was calling for a buy stop right here. January the 18th, daily. And there she blows. Yeah, I don't even want to call these. I'm not. Again, I'm just gonna, I don't know. I don't know. I feel like I'm hoping I'm reaching a few of you guys. I'm going to be careful with what I say right now. I hope I'm reaching a few of you guys. I really do. I'm going to leave it at that. I want to 1 minute sell stop towards the blue line, US 30. Look for any 1 minute sell stop towards the blue line for NAS, SPX. I want to help you all so freaking bad. So freaking mad. I guess I'll go over how to find these trades. Daily 4-hour daily buy stop. Wow, that could be huge. A lot happens in a 4-hour daily buy stop. You'll have 15-minute sells, you'll have 5-minute sells, you have 3-minute, 1 minute sells, but whatever. Ultimately, that's what you're seeing right now is that. It'll reform it later. Winning sun. What's up, Teasy? Good morning. I don't know. Good morning, Dr. Harry. Good morning, Antoinette. Top of the morning to you. Excellent morning to you, Dr. Harry. Hey, what did the person say? I told you the market has to fall, blah, 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 from yesterday when the 4-minute. Yeah, he's probably crying in a soup from loss after loss. Good morning, Jason McCain. Did I miss anybody up here? Gio, good morning. Anthony Sawyer, good morning. I want to make sure I didn't miss anybody. Antoinette. He needs a system. Yeah, that's true, Pablo. Thank you, Bob. Good morning, Teasy. And if you have a question, you can ask away. If I don't read it, it's because YouTube's blocking it or TikTok's blocking it. All right. Let's go over the rules, exactly how I trade them. What the hell? I know it's repetition, but none of you, I swear to God. All right. We already went over the legal disclaimer. This is what you guys get. This is a safety trade system rules. This is supposed to be released today, actually. And it was released 3 days ago. It's emailed to you. It's up on our Discord. Do not email me asking for the rules or I'll block your email. Review your rules all the time. Oh, welcome from Vietnam, Teasy. I'm somewhere in America. Definitely not New Jersey. Anywho. All right, wonderful update. Yes, we haven't, you're welcome, Shannon. We haven't updated the rules since April of last year. Now the rules have been updated one time in 10 months. But there is an update. This is a major update. I dumbed the rules down even further to help every one of you to try to make money from the very first day. best I can. Okay, sorry. TikTok every hour asks if I'm still alive. You may redo this type form as many times as you need because you actually have to review these rules. And if I tell you, when I say review the rules, you should print these rules out. You should retype them and print them out by hand every day, multiple times a day. And the other one with the Forex. Oh, nice. So whatever the correct timestamp is, it's Forex time. Thank you, Keith. Again, everyone, I don't know if you saw, Keith, but people were giving you a standing O. Everyone should do a slow clap. Yep, he is. Keith, the man, the myth, and the legend. Thank you, Keith Palmer. I see how everybody's reacting to you as I brag about you. If your ears ever hurts because I'm talking about you for hours at a time each day, Keith. By the way, Keith has the only distinction, the only person that we're going to meet live that's from this group, and we have thousands of people who have purchased the system. The only person that I'm going to meet with in real life, me and Bree are, ever, in over 2 years on TikTok and a year and a half on YouTube. I've never met any one of you. I'm an extremely private person, but I consider Keith a friend now. He's a very, very, very extremely good man. Extremely good. He loves his family. He's a good person. You know, he's real. He's one of those, just a good person. And me and Bree are actually going to meet him. I'm not saying when, but soon. And I'm very much looking forward to it. He's the only person out of thousands of you. And I've had people want to fly me out to Dubai. I've had people that wanted to fly in to see me. I had people that when we were in Vegas, we literally ate at a restaurant where someone was doing the cooking and I didn't meet the person. Why? Because I'm an extremely private person. But you're on TikTok and YouTube all the time. I wouldn't do this at all. It's against my core to be on here, other than I'm trying to help you all make money. It's overriding my need to not. I would never. Do you see me showing myself? I tried it for like a month. I hated it. I don't show myself. So Keith, can't wait to meet your brother. You deserve all this love. You deserve, and Bree is, you guys don't know. If Bree wasn't here with me as my wife and equal when it comes to everything in life, including this business, if she wasn't with me, I wouldn't be on any of this shit right now. Keith wouldn't be coding anything because I wouldn't be on here. She's the one who smooths out all your guys' silliness when we receive question after question after question. So yeah, you guys owe a mighty big thank you to Bree. Because I'm telling you, I wouldn't be here without her. I would be trading by myself, minding my own business, trading probably from Italy or Greece or somewhere, and just trading from there, doing my own stuff. But Bree keeps me sane. Bree answers all your emails, or 99% of them. Bree's incredible. So without Bree and Keith doing the coding for us, and he is compensated. Probably should be more, but it's hard. I think Keith used to have a similar business to this at one time, and he understands all the fucking headaches and expenses that go along with it. He has a nice size check on me, actually. Not a check anymore, but, direct deposit. But anywho, so Keith takes care of us. We try to help back. Bree helps take care of all of you, and she keeps me around. Keith always says he takes my brains and put it on the website or something, but he has a saying that's really cute. So yeah, I can't thank Keith enough. I can't thank Bree enough. I just can't. I'm just here doing my thing. I have no patience, as some of you might understand, for people who ask ignorant questions that I think everyone should know the answer to. And Bree's like, you kind of think at a very high level when it comes to trading. Most people are kindergartners. And I go, Precious, I'm talking to them like they're 2 years old and they don't get it. And she's like, no, you're talking to them like they're in college and they don't get it. They don't understand your system at all. It's a new language to them. It's like, fine. So then I try to be calm and try to repeat myself over and over again, trying to help y'all. Oh, oops, sorry. Message is coming in. His ears much Israelite crazy. That's true. I always give him compliments. Thank you, Bree. I completely understand, Kat. I totally understand that, Kat. Privacy important in the surveillance state we live in. That's true. Think credit, Kevin, Bree is your beauty would be. Absolutely, she is. Kevin, Bree, and myself, and every system want you all to succeed. Thank you, Keith. Absolutely. She really is, Susie. Always think, Louise. Thank you. Big brain problems left in the house. No. Thank you. Thank you, Keith. Yep, absolutely. Keith deserves all that and more. I don't know how he takes the way I trade and turns it into code, because no other coder could and can. Not with the accuracy of Keith can do it. Trust me. Andre and a whole bunch of other coders, hundreds, probably hundreds of coders over the years I've used. Definitely 50 to 100 coders I've used over the years, and paid and paid and paid and paid. And Andre comes up with a few things, and then Keith tweaks it and improves it, like the H&H scanner. And then Keith comes up with, I don't know how he does it, the scanner rooms. It's crazy. The signals that you're seeing right now, it's crazy what Keith can do. You do make me laugh. I don't mind. All right. So heading back to it. This is exactly how you trade. There's 2 steps. Step 1, you go to the 1 hour and see what's up. Pinks and blues for a buy, stop, just reverse it for a sell. High sniper blue, low pink is the logo there. Okay. If it's there, we go on to step 2. So you go to here, you go over to here, you go to 1 hour charts right here. Let me block this out so you guys don't get confused. Going to 2-step, baby. Going to 2-step, my baby. Going to 2-step, my baby. So what you're seeing right here is just now coming up. I don't think the computer can even read this. Yeah. So we don't have anything. We can't do 1 hour trades. Let's see if we can do 4 hour trades. That looks good on SPX. That looks good on NAS. I look good. Blue line high, pink line low. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and say this is a 4 hour trade, possibly, but we can't make a 15-minute 1 hour because the 1 hour isn't there. So see this right there on US 30? Not really there on NAS. And it is there on SPX. So if we look at this as a 1 hour, 4 hour trade, a 4 hour daily trade, I would call a 4 hour daily buy stop. That's how I look at this. 4 hour daily buy stop. 4 hour, you see the 4 hour, we were just talking about this. The daily, because it's up high. See the blue up high and the pink low. It's going to go my 2-step. So it is a 4 hour daily buy stop. Now, we go back to our rules. Good morning, Tank Dog. We go back to our rules. We can't go to step 2 because step 1, the 1 hour charts suck. There's nothing to look at unless we're going to go to a 4 hour daily. So you can't go to step 2. You just can't. There's nothing here. None of the criteria is met. The blue line isn't high. The pink line isn't low on the 1 hours. So we have to stop. 7s, if you guys understand that you can't move forward at this moment in time if you're trading the rules right now. Oh, but I can do it on 1 minute, 5 minute. That's not what we're talking about. Oh, I could do it on 15-second, 3-minute. That's not what we're talking about. Oh, you said we could do 4-hour daily. That's not what we're talking about. If you're following the rules, the 1 hours are nothing. Thank you, Dennis. Good morning, Dennis. Morning, BCM. Good morning, Larry Cooper. All right, there's a few of you that get that. So we can't do it. But if we could, and it was accurate, we would go to step 2. You go do the 15-minute chart. Look for the logo, blah, blah, blah. So if step 1 was available, which it's not, we would then look at the 15-minute chart and see what we see. We're going to go do a 2-step, my baby. And do we see our logo? Yep. Came over, retrace, retrace. Yep. But we don't see. It's just starting. I don't know how to word this. This is going to turn into a 15-minute, 1 hour. But you don't have the separation of these pink lines. This needs to be down here. I'm not saying this isn't going to go up because it's going to come down a little, hook, and come back up again. That's what it's going to do. But we have to wait. So yes, on the 15-minute, we have a logo, but we don't have the 1 hour. We don't even have a buy stop. We have a fill in the gap on SPX. On NAS, we have a fill in the gap. We don't have the buy stop right here, like you see there. So I'm going to go ahead and say there's going to be a 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop, but there is no correct way for me to teach you that. And the best one is US 30. So I'm going to go ahead and write that out. You have to do these sell stops. You have to honor them. But also, let's look for our 2-step 15-minute buy stops. And I like, personally, US 30. They're all good. They're all fine. That's just where I'm looking. Going to be a 2-step, a 2-step. Okay. What's up, Bruce Jackson? It's going to be a 2-step, a 2-step. Yeah, it's about as much country fucking song I know. You do know that Bree knows every country song's words that's come out in the last 10 years, let's say, anything that's even remotely famous. She knows every rap song, every word to every rap song, every word to every country song, every word to every pop song, every word to any song that's come out that's even remotely known, and it's 90% of them aren't even known. She knows every one of them probably for the last 15 years. And she doesn't just know them, like Eminem shit and all that. She knows every word of every song ever. Absolutely insane. I can't even remember what the fuck even comes with it. I'm going to get a 2-step, baby. I don't know. Applebee's. No, that ain't the right one. See, I don't even know where it comes from. She knows. Bree is a freaking genius. Wow. Crazy. Crazy smart. Now, where is my hater at from Jersey? She hates it because I'll slaughter every song ever and I make up my own lyrics. I tell her it's just freestyle rapping. She doesn't think that's funny. Well, she does, but because I don't know any words. I've heard Journey song "Don't Stop Believing" and 1,000 times. Pour some sugar on me, and she still corrects like a word I say wrong. They're not saying that right there. I forgot what it was. I'm like, what? The whole time I'm saying the song wrong. That's my son-in-law. Nice. Y'all do chord? No, not at all. Remix, Kev. That's funny, that one. All right. Well, I gave you guys some insights today. I think we're going to start wrapping it up with the rules here. We'll pretend like you guys knew what was happening on that. There they are. Trade intro, demo only. Wait for this half circle. Someone thanked me for this. By the way, this isn't a half. This is a half circle. Let's get something clear. I don't know where this misunderstanding came at. Watch. This right here, you guys are going to get mad. I'm not going to point it out, but I'm serious on this, okay? Let's take a look at a two-step. Da-da-da-do-da-da-do-da. Right here. This right here, see, I drew it out the other day. This is it right here. So this is what happens. You don't get, this is what happens with people that get caught. Let me be exactly, I'm going to draw it out. They do this. Price comes up, price comes down, price comes up. Oh, it was a buy stop, but I got caught. You're in one candle trying to do it. Give me a break. That's not how you trade, whether it's 1 minute, 5 minute, or anything. You don't do that. Look at what it does. These are 4-hour candles. 4 hour, 8 hour, 12 hour, 16 hour, 20, 24 hours, almost 24 hours, maybe even 28 hours. But this is what it looks like. You see this little, oh, but that's called Thor's ascending hammer. And that's why it went up. No, they just noticed this. Look, numbnutters out there in the real world. Watch. Sorry. Hold on. Watch. You can change this into lines. And then where are you at? Where's Thor ascending hammer of God's angel wrath? There is no. The candles are not real. None of this is real. By the way, you see the W right there? But this is it. This is what it would look like if it was lines. You want to see this. See, it draws. I always have it in my rules to change it to lines on the higher time frame. And it draws out what it's going to do. This is your half circle. Also called something else. Next system you have to make is how to get a woman or man like her. There you go. Thor's ascending hammer. Raider trader like that too, so does Shannon. Well, I mean, come on. It's they're so weird. I never fell for the naming of the one thing I could pride myself on. I fell hook, line, and sinker for Fibonacci retracements for over a year, year and a half. I only did NAS, ER, USD. I tried to make those Fibonacci retracements work for fucking over a year. Couldn't do it. But I never fell for naming of candles. I thought, who the fuck is naming candles? Head and Shoulders. I don't want to mention any names, but somebody mentioned that the other day, and I about laughed. I said, there's no such thing as Head and Shoulders. Dumb fucking idiots out there. Sorry, silly people out there, silly people. Whenever you hear me say the word silly, just put in place of it lots of other bad words. So whenever I say, oh, that's a silly person, that's not really what I'm saying. I use the term, I don't think anyone's even caught that yet, because I kept getting smashed on TikTok. So instead of telling the truth when I'm on TikTok, I just say silly person. Best explanation you give, Kev. I'm glad it's reaching you, Bladex. A goalpost or a Chi-Chi. I'm going to go with if Chi-Chi is what I think he's saying, then yes. Looks like a goalpost. That's kind of what I'm trying to draw. I lost my ass with two fibs too. Tarson Black, me too. What's up, Tarson? So yeah, that's not what I was actually drawing, but I'm glad you guys think that's a goalpost. Maybe we can call it that. My mind works in a different way. And it wasn't even me. I didn't even think of this until one of our members said, hey, I call it the well, either here nor there. But he called it something, and he goes, that's the before this life. That's not a cow's udder. BCM. I know, I was one of those. Oh, that's the other one. Yes, BCM. That's what we're talking about here. We can call it a cow's udder. Good wording, BCM. I like that. Thank you. But yes, it honest to God does. Market milker. Okay. But if you look at it this way, no offense to anyone, please. I'm just having fun. But it does. Sorry, don't ban me. Oh my God, you guys are funny. Shannon, no. So anywho, but it's a good way to remember it. It really is. I told Bree I want to get the rights to it and do a thing. She goes, "You're not doing that." Because people will get too offended. I go, but that's what it is. When it's formed properly, that's exactly what it looks like. And it's an easy way to remember it. Because people don't forget that. They forget everything else you fucking tell them. But you start talking about that shit, all of a sudden they're like, oh, yeah, see right there where I drew it. There it is on NAS, and here it is on C. Look, what the fuck? It's what it is. Look, it's what it is. Sorry. Look, I didn't even draw it for SPX, and there it fits. See you, Jay Parker. Have a good day, my brother. I got a jet too, actually. All right, guys. I think we did enough. Oh, but you didn't call out. I'm not gonna. I called out enough, and I made direct details for SPX, US30, and NAS. Let me see gold one more time. Any questions before we go? Any comments? Please understand that we are not financial advisors. You need to record your sessions. If anyone's new, speak up now before I go. If anyone's new now, speak up before I go. If anyone's new now, speak up before I go. You have to unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading to relearn my system. In order to master the system, you need to teach it. We are Stan ambassadors, senior Stan ambassadors. They asked us to join their program. We didn't ask them. They asked us because we're so successful. Stan is nothing more than a glorified Shopify. Stan is very good, though. If you ever want a good online store, use them. We love them. They literally, Stan literally, hold on one second, sorry. Stan literally said we're a top 50 store with them, which is an honor, but I think she never got back to us, but I think we're a top 20 and we have 3 stores with them. We make a lot of money through this, a ton of money. And I do believe it's fair to be compensated for what we do because Bree and I work extremely hard trying to help you all. If you guys have a problem with that, then just leave. If you don't think we should be compensated for what we do, then just leave. Again, no offense. Not going to be pissed. Don't need you here. We do have 3 totally, I can't believe I have to say this. I'm embarrassed for the human race I have to say this. We have 3 totally different optional add-ons. They're 100% optional. I can't force any of you to get it. Yet there's one hater from Jersey. You're forcing people to do this. Thank God I don't allow one person to affect anything because it's a silly person. But we have 3 add-ons. One of them is the scanner room for $50 a month. If you think $50 a month is too much for that scanner room, I hope Keith gets you. Because it's absolutely the steal of the century. We have the sniper add-on, which I've been using all morning long. See? You enter the trade when it's down low on the pink and the blue's high. Pop, up goes the weasel. See it, see it, see it. There it goes. That's called the sniper. It's $150 a month. No, you don't have to have it. My system is totally 100% functional without it. It just helps. You don't have to have the scanner rooms. Please don't get it if you can't afford any of these things. The signals, the signals, the signals. Holy shit. We're up to like 17 or 18. I think it's 18, actually. The signals given for free, which drives the hater nuts also. Look, gold called out 2 signals yesterday. Both of them won. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 signals was 11 and 0, so it never lost. It was 11 for 11, 100% win rate in January. So far in February, I believe it's 5 for 5, 100% win rate. Gold is either 2 for 2 or 3 for 3. I think it's 3 for 3. But anyway, the gold has just started up the other day, and we already have for sure 2 winning signals in gold. Yay. And that was just started. Okay. Again, totally optional. If you can't afford signals, $150 a month first tier, $250 for the second, and $350 for the third, then don't get it. If you're happy with the session today, rate me 10 or whatever. If you're not happy and it's below a 10, give a reason. Otherwise, you're just not. You're a silly person. Your opinion will be discarded. If you give me a 1 and you don't say why, I'll probably just ban you. If you give me a 1 and say why, yeah, that's fine. Tons of renewals coming up. If you are renewing, just head over to our site. No need to contact us. Head over to our site right here. We'll get rid of our little goalpost and go over to safetytrade.com. And this is your renewal right here. It's $575. The only way you can get it renewed is on TradingView. There is no other option for you. It's TradingView or nothing. Hope that's clear. It's $575 for everybody. And there's hundreds of you coming up for renewal soon. That's it. I'm done. God, give it to us for live spending and making money. Thank you, God. Thank you, Bree. You're welcome, Shannon. I know, right, Shannon? It is pretty good. I lost track of it. 1,000. Thank you, BCM. All right. Thank you all very much. I'm going to leave TikTok for now. God bless you all on TikTok. Have a great morning. Have a great, great morning. See ya. YouTubers, I can talk freely now. If anyone has any questions or like me to go off on someone, please let me know. I will. Otherwise, head over to safetytrade.com and buy the damn system. It's time. Okay? Thank you all for everything. Thank you all for being here. Just thank you all for everything. Appreciate it. We're going to buy a two-step, baby. All right. God bless you all on YouTube. Have a great morning. We'll see if I can ever get back to live trading with you I love the 8:30s when there's news. I love the 9:30 opens. It's so much fun to do. All right. God bless you all. Have a great, great morning. Will do, Metal Mine. Thank you, Bob. All right. Talk to y'all later. God bless.